And I'm just trying to get rich, my nigga. I'm riding around with my tootie, sipping on that Bobby Brown. Rest in peace to Big Holy, rest in peace to Big Michael Brown. Hands up and my face down, but the cops still might shoot me. I gave the world my life story, but they still don't know route to ruler. Damn, I'm just trying to stay focused. Tired of seeing my niggas cage, and I know they tired of that Joseph. Been grinding way too long, goddamn, I'm just trying to get over. Try and hide my pain, shit, just hope nobody don't notice. They try and kill my pride, man, they try and fuck me over. Got a gold chain on my neck, I got a stone chip on my shoulder. I'm a trill nigga, that's trill shit. My mama raised a soldier. My pops left, they told me I comprehend it when I get older. Boy, what that is, that ain't good sense. Boy, fuck that shit, I'm a hood nigga.